Michael from Manville has a question about countertop care.
Well, he's lost his luster. The counters.
I understand.
Okay.
I assume.
I hope so, because we don't provide that other kind of counseling here. But he says we have quartz countertops. He actually told me the brand. It's a good brand, but we're not going to mention them here. They're in his house, and he hopes to find something to bring back their shine. Here's the clue to you. He says the water beads up around the faucets and stuff over there, and that's really where it's lost its luster mostly, Tom.
And it's hard water. I mean, let's face it, hard water does a lot of damage to a lot of things. So my first advice to people who don't want to deal with this kind of stuff, water softener, call Aquatex. I talked to a realtor the other day. She goes, "How old's a water heater?" I said, 22 years old. It works fine. She said, "You're kidding me?" I said, "No, but I have a water softener in my house forever." And
he's in Manville, and Alvin's like right there. So that's where Aquatex is. So.
Yeah, unfortunately, you don't get a distant discount. If you're closer, it's 10% cheaper. It doesn't work that way.
Let me know if you can get that.
If you do, it'd be good for you. But as far as that goes, you can use some of the cultured marble polishes that are gel coat finishes and polish it up. I use one called Stone Polish. I think I got mine at Bearings, but there's some hardware stores that'll have it. But you'll find polishes for granite, and quartz is about the same thing, and you have the silestone products and things like that. But quartz is a real shiny product. A lot of the granites have real sheen to them. So use something that's meant for that. But you'll be able to get it back. But think of a water softener.
Yeah, that stone polish is one from International Stoneworks.
That's right.
Yeah, so
I love that stuff. It makes it slick and shiny, and it's like doing Pledge on your table. You just spray it, wipe it, and you're done. It
was developed for commercial buildings, and they sell it to homeowners. So.
Although, don't use it on the floor of your shower. You'll be sitting down real fast.
Yeah. Have you ever gone bowling and stepped over that line?
That's right.
That'll be the experience.
Yeah. So
because I've done that, by the way. I was like, hey, whoa. Wow, look at the pretty lights.
That's why that line is there.
Stop there. All right. And we're going to stop here. You got a question, send it to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. Fill it out. Send it in. And we'll do an answer for you like we did for these folks in these videos over here.